Do you want to make images and videos like that with AI in 1 second?
Today I'm going to show you how you are going to make viral videos for your Instagram, TikTok or YouTube short or any social media platform. If you don't believe me, just check this image, this image, this image, this image and this image. And that is how complete social media is boosted with all these AI videos and images. And if you want to make for yourself your image and integrate that to AI images, then this video is right for you. I'm going to show you complete procedure and you can make your images within seconds. Now, what you are waiting? Let's get started. Okay, first platform which I'm going to use, that is like Gemini, and we have also Whisk. Both is from the Google itself, and that both platform is very amazing, but it has some sort of like you can use different information in different website. First, let me just enter Cherrybex, and you can see that I have made some sort of like that information, and it is very nice. You can also change the image, but what you will get first, let me just copy that one. Okay, I'm going to provide you complete prompt, don't worry about anything. And here I'm going to come and bring that one, delete, and here you have to just bring your images. That is all images which I have created, but let me just try something with maybe this image if it possible. Okay, now I'm going to paste that prompt which I'm going to give you in comment or in the description of that video. Don't worry about that one. Okay, now what if I'm going to just apply, and you will get like different proportion if you need that for like TikTok short or any social media platform. You can just apply that one as well, and you can also get like square proportion or ratio for Facebook as well. And here is the first like image. As you are going, it is completely free. Okay, don't worry about any like account. If you don't need to buy anything, but as far as you are going to just click and see different information, you will find out, yeah, it is like getting a lot much better information. Okay, now you can also change something like the character or the scale of the character from the prompt. You can just play with that one, like it is style studio room. You can make it like it should be in the maybe the beach, maybe in beach. I don't know if we are going to just click on the beach, and you can just play with your own prompt as well. But that is how you are going to work here with the same, like see, it is like I have just changed it with the beach, and you can check the result as well, how it is integrating and how you are getting everything from here. And you will be amazed with different sort of like information. See how it has created. Okay, that's how we are going generating and making. I'm going to apply same like this image. Let me use that for Gemini, and you are going to you will come just in gemini.google.com and just log in with your Google account, and it is completely free as well. Okay, now I'm going to use create image, and we are going to upload the image, maybe the same image which I'm going to use. That should be that image, and I'm going to paste the same prompt which I have applied here. But we will see how it's like the information, how we are going to get each and everything. Could be here in Gemini we get the result a little bit. It takes time, but the result is also more like realistic than Whisk. But I believe if you are going to get like journal idea and view how your character or your complete composition will be, you have to use Whisk, because it is completely giving you two ideas and how you are going to just integrate that idea. Now see, that is how it has built. Now the realism, I believe that is also good, but I believe it is more amazing. But how about if we are going to just upload, for example, more like I have I have used that image. Okay, now for example, if I'm going to come here and check one of the most detailed image, and I'm going to give that for example any prompt, or maybe I'm going to add one more image as well, or we can use that multiple times, but I don't need that one for example right now. Let me just check if it is working or not. And then the image which I have given, that it is like this image. Okay, it has complete details and how you are going to do that one. We are going to wait a little bit and we will see the result. Sure, it took Gemini more time to generate that image, but I think that is also not like looking like me, but it seems good, but the facial feature is different. Like I'm like that, my facial features, but it is different from me. Okay. Could be possibly it is like it is not very good in information. Therefore, maybe if we have high resolution, it could be very nice. And we can also maybe apply. Let me just delete that one in the Wix. If we see that how it will work like here, maybe same prompt I have given that one, and we will see if it is working like fine or not, on how it will work. But Gemini takes more time. We will see how the Wix will perform in this image, because the image is a little bit low quality, but you can see that it is different person, and it is like one third. Maybe if I'm going to use that same like studio room, and yeah, once again, and in I believe that Whisk also has done very good job. Now you can see that it has definitely a sort of like information if you need that one. For example, 1/5 of that scale. How about 1/5? It is very big like model. And how about if we are going to generate 1/5 size of that image? Yeah, it is looking cool now. But the character, Whisk is always like changing the character, the facial character, the character which I have here, it is like changing. It is not giving specific, because it has no same scale as well. But I believe how you are going to just get the information from here. But one more thing I'm going to show you here is like complete the the prompts for every individual like image. That is one of the best one. I'm going to try these as well. Okay. For example, it should be in Gemini. Now I'm going to upload an image here. Maybe we are going to come in screenshot, and I have like my image, maybe this image, and I'm going to give the prompt, and now we are going to generate that one as well. And how about if I'm going to also apply that in the Wix as well. Maybe we are going to get like the same image, and I'm going to change the prompt. We will see both results and compare that with each other. Now that is, yeah, that is, see how beautiful it has like generated. The lighting, the composition, everything is very nice and very good. And how about we are going to come in Wix. Okay, Wix, you should come here, and now we are going to generate that as well and see what is like the difference. But maybe Wix is not good in this proportion, but maybe it could be like different. Yeah, it is good. Yeah, it is good. I believe it is good. Yeah, it is very nice. Like the Wix version, and it is also the Wix version, and it is also the Wix version, and you can also animate that one, like again with each other, like different sort of information you can do that with. But exactly if you want to make Mr. Beast like thumbnails, you can also create from that Wix as well. But I'm like surprised from the result of Wix. If I'm going to generate one more time, you can. The best part of the Wix is that you can generate multiple times the same prompt, and you are going to use that for multiple times. Now see how you are going to get like the character. Now this is the character, and yeah, that is one of the best sort of information which we are getting like consistency. If we need, then we can also apply same thing. I hope so that you got the idea. If you like that video, just don't forget to hit thumbs up for more amazing video. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.